Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the software and the two apps you'll split. This prevents unexpected behavior. Once done, open the first app, then the second so both appear in recent apps. You should also make sure navigation mode is one you prefer, gestures versus buttons, because that changes the swipe to split action. Now, access recent apps, swipe up from the bottom or tap recents. Immediately tap the app icon at the top of its card to reveal the split screen option. You select Open in split screen on the first app. This pins it to the top or left depending on orientation. Then choose the second app from recent apps or the app drawer to fill the other pane. Make sure to use drag on the center divider to set proportions, 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, because different layouts suit different tasks. If you want the same app twice, use multi-window for compatible apps. Once positioned, test interaction, typing, scrolling, and media playback to confirm both. You finish by resizing or exiting split mode when work is done. Drag the divider fully to one edge to close or tap the menu to exit. Make sure to swap panes using the middle swap control when you want the other app on top. If an app won't enter split screen, it may be incompatible. Force close and relaunch, check for app updates, or restart your phone. If problems persist, you can clear system cache or update One UI. That usually resolves split behavior issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.